My name is Janina, and thank you for your inquiry on the beautiful 2014 Elantra. Now, this is a lovely vehicle. You get very good gas mileage. It's just a perfect little vehicle to drive, save gas, and have fun in. Let me give you a quick overview of the inside of the vehicle. Now, this particular model, since you didn't specify a particular trim, level, or color, I'm just going to show you this one, but we do have a wide variety of colors and packages in stock. This one has high quality cloth interior. It's easily cleaned with a light detergent and warm water. Now on this particular one, this is our basic model. We have our cruise control, we have the trip meter, we have AM, FM, XM radio, CD player, USB, iPod, and auxiliary ports, and it does have the Shiftronic transmission. Now, as I indicated, we do have several models and colors available for you. We go all the way from this level up to the Limited, which is your leather navigation. I mean, you can get them at any level that suits your particular needs. But I want you to just take a look. I'm going to stand here and show you the wide variety of Elantras we have available. These are just some of them. We do have 4 acres of vehicles. We got them up here, we've got them in the back, but we've got several colors available for you to peruse. So again, my name is Janina, and I do want to tell you a little bit about America's Best Warranty. Hyundai provides you with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, 5-year or 60,000-mile new car warranty, 7 years anti-corrosion, 5 years unlimited mileage roadside assistance. But Tameron does something extra special for their customers. They double that powertrain from 10 years, 100,000 to 20 years, 200,000. That's correct, 20 years, 200,000 miles. That is no additional cost to you. That's for being a valued Tameron customer. We are the only dealership in the Southeast region that does have that 20-year, 200,000-mile warranty. So again, my name is Janina. Give me a call. My number here is 205-249-2096. Come on in, take a test drive. Make sure you ask for me. I'm here to accommodate your needs. 205-249-2096. And thank you again for your inquiry.